channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural and we are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? I am back with another wig review, okay? I have a very few clips of me getting this together. It didn't really take much, but let's just get to her and then we'll talk about her and then that will be that. So today I have a Rene of Paris wig and this is Miss Adele. I have Adele in the color Honeycomb Brown. I have Adele in the color Honeycomb Brown. I scooped up Adele from, and she comes in this pretty box. And I scooped her up from Poshmark. So I will put all the deets on where you can get her. This is an available wig. So this is a lace front wig in terms of from here to here. It's a monofilament parting, which kind of just means you can part it anywhere you want, wherever the monofilament is. And it's about, you know, it's a few inches wide. I show the cap construction after this. It is sort of a... It's giving me sort of a human hair feel in terms of the fact that it's a little bit textured, like as if you put hairspray or something in it, but it is still like a more realistic density, and it's a very nice feel. It is a left-sided part. It is supposed to be a pretty deep left-sided part. The wig cap does not have any combs in the front or back. It does have adjustable straps, so some people may need to use a wig grip with it. I'd say it's an average cap size. It does have a stretch to it, but it's definitely an average cap. I have worn this wig once already to my mom's birthday, and I have to say it looks nicer after I wore it once than it did when I first put it on. It took a minute to get where I wanted it to go, and if you'll see in the clips after this, it does respond pretty well to a round brush, but it does the wave does need to be sort of retrained into the wig. I absolutely love the coloring. The only negative about the coloring is if, like in older wigs that you would see, you can see some of the lighter pieces are just like chunked in there. When it's down like this, it's fine, but I prefer more of a sombre situation where if you were to clip it up on one side, you wouldn't have to worry about that. But other than that, I really enjoy this wig. The fibers are very luxe feeling, very high quality feeling. They look very pretty. I kind of like the slight, I don't even want to say unruliness, but the slight unruliness that it's not overly perfect, because like your hair is not overly perfect. And I just feel like it gives it a more realistic look. This is not a heat-safe fiber, so just keep that in mind. I am getting ready to review another wig that is not a heat-safe fiber, and I'm going to use this steamer. So I'm going to be doing a demo and review on that, so look for that coming up. I really like this wig. It is growing on me. I like it more than Ryan. I think Ryan was an aesthetic wig, and I loved the color of Ryan. I just wasn't super crazy about the cut. This is something I think I could do a little more every day, because there is a little bit of styling options that you have. And like I said, you can go through and really intensify these curls with a round brush if you wanted, or you can just sort of, do one of these and just sort of fluff it out and keep it a little bit more tousled. So, yeah, that is what we have for, is this Adele? Did I say Adele? I think it's Adeline. It's Adeline. Did I say Adele? Oh my gosh, it's Adeline, not Adele. But anyway, yeah, I think this is super cute. It reminds me of my natural hair, like when I would straighten it and then I went outside and it kind of got fuzzy, but not, because, it's not meant to be straightened. So you can just kind of do like one of these too. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this wig. I really am. If you have this wig and you have some thoughts, please put that down below. If there's another Rene of Paris wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. I'm going to include the playlist that I have for name brand wigs down below. So if there's a wig that you want me to review, check that first to make sure that I haven't already reviewed it. And then you can put that down below. Just put it all down below, okay? Also, don't forget to check my description box just in general for links to where you can buy wigs, the deets of the wigs, and also links to the different products that I use. I always forget to mention that. But most of the stuff that I use on a regular basis is linked down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!